Hi there, this is Stacy and I'm coming to you talking to you about how to get paid $3,732 online working from home. Matter of fact, anywhere. You can do this from anywhere you want. I've gone from going to different Panera Bread, uh, Starbucks, wherever have you, different meetups, and being able to capitalize on my knowledge and get paid online. Okay, so what I want you to do is just watch and take action after this video. Now, you can work when you want, how often you want. So your options are unlimited. Okay, so you accept and you reject assignments. You don't have to take an assignment, but your ratings will be affected when you respond to requests fast. So you don't want to delay whenever you get a request for service. So then you can set your own hours too. You can have office hours. You say, oh, I'm only available on Monday through Friday. I don't even want to be bothered. I want my weekends off. Or you can do, I just want to work weekends, and then that's it. So it's really up to you how much you can do this part-time or you can do this full-time, okay? And I can go into it more depth in the webinar on how you can get paid up to $1,520 per week doing this, okay? The next thing I want you to know is you can get paid fast. Don't waste time waiting for payday to payday every 2 weeks or every week. You can get paid in as little as 5 days and then every day after that. So like constantly every day getting emails saying, hey, you just got paid. This is an awesome feeling, and you can set your own pay rate. My pay rate is $38 an hour. Depending on your expertise, depending on the service that you offer, you can really get paid, and you get paid fast. All right. So the next thing I want you to see is the proof. Okay. So just my payments, I just give you a brief snapshot of what I got paid. So it shows the total earnings, $3,732.85, and that amount was paid out to me, direct deposit in my bank, and cha-ching. You know what I mean? So here are just some testimonials that I show from my students or students' parents. A must-have. It has been a pleasure having Stacy as my son algebra honor tutor. Stacy has been very knowledgeable with helping my son in any area of concern and he's been experiencing. My son has nothing but great things to say about her. I am so glad that I made the choice. And Nicole had 15 sessions with me. Okay, and then awesome tutor. Stacy was awesome. My son was comfortable from the beginning of the session to the end. I mean, she gave him strategies to help him understand better. And Kimberly's had 12 sessions with me. Okay, and then we have a knowledgeable Java tutor. Stacy was able to help me understand incrementing and decrementing operators. She was patient and displayed a wealth of knowledge as well as showed great examples. So there you have it. That's the proof. And I want you to take action today. Inbox me, join my webinar, or get training on how you can start earning great, much globs of money in your inbox or in your bank account every day. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the inside.